You know, like, hey, can I get your number? Maybe I'll get you for my next one, you know? This one, oh, I found the perfect specimen. It was a young lady by the name of Amanda, and she is 23 years old, and I took her out on a date last night. Thank you. It worked. It worked. The only bad part is I've been doing this since last quarter, and this is the first date.
Oh my God!
Yeah. But hey, it worked. And I asked her, what did she think about it? She thought it was good. She laughed. I think that's what got it. You know, women love laughter, from what I hear. Then I asked were there a lot of ums and uhs, and there was. I was kind of nervous. She was pretty beautiful. And then I asked, what can I improve on? Those are my 3 questions. What can I improve on? And she said less ums and uhs. And she said other than that, it was pretty much good. Because I like to gesture, and I like to laugh, and I like to make her laugh, and you guys laugh. So she thought it was pretty good. She thought it was pretty good.
So you found this particular interview process to be valuable to you?
Oh yeah. I've been doing this since day one, and I didn't bring it up because I haven't got a hit since now. So. But yeah, you know, I figured why not. You're supposed to interview somebody you don't know. Safeway, supermarket. They got a little coffee shop there at the one next to my house in Spanaway. So yeah, we sat down in a coffee shop. And I had some chocolate milk. I don't like coffee, but.